नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल. आज आपण बघणार आहोत महा-टी-ई-टी म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र राज्य शिक्षक पात्रता परीक्षा 2013 साली घेण्यात आलेल्या पेपर 1 मधील इंग्रजी माध्यमातील प्रश्न, त्यातील इंग्रजी व्याकरण हे आपल्याला पेपरमध्ये 30 मार्कासाठी विचारले जातात. तर चला तर मग सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला. Question number 21. Choose the correct not only filling the blanks but also answer the given sentence. Sentence is given is wash my hand and ate my dinner too. Options are given. Not only I wash my hand but also ate my dinner. I not only wash my hand but also ate my dinner too. I wash not only my hand but also ate my dinner. I not only wash my hand but also ate my dinner. Correct answer is option number 4. I not only wash my hand but also ate my dinner. Then question number 22. Choose the correct verbal question in the given sentence. Sentence given: he gave witness at the sensational trial. Options are given. Did he give witness at the sensational trial? Does he give witness at the sensational trial? Did he gave witness at the sensational trial? Did gave he witness at the sensational trial? Correct answer is option number 3. Did he gave witness at the sensational trial? Then question number 23. Choose the correct passive voice of the given sentence. Sentence is given: the thieves had broken the back door. Options are given. The back door had broken by the thieves. The back door had been broken by the thieves. The back door had been broken by them. The back door has been broken by the thieves. The correct option is option number 2. The back door had been broken by the thieves. Then question number 24. Choose the correct alternative. Mr. Kedar became filling the blank SP of Pune district. Options are given. The, an, a, no article. The correct option is option number 1. The Mr. Kedar became the SP of Pune district. Then question number 25. Choose the correct degree sentence from the given sentence. Sentence are given. The Ganesh is one of the most popular teacher on your class. Dr. Ganesh is one of the most popular teacher on our class. Dr. Ganesh is the most popular teacher on our class. Dr. Ganesh is most popular teacher on our class. The correct option is option number 1. The Dr. Ganesh is one of the most popular teacher on our class. Then read the passage and choose the correct answers of the given question number 26 to 30. Passage are given. Newspaper sell because of news and additional coverage, but it get more revenue from advertisement. News cost money while advertisement pays money. The economics of modern newspaper is such that it can't run by just selling news. It has to depend on advertisement. The economics of newspaper publishing require both subscribers who can afford to buy newspapers and businessmen who can afford to advertise in it. The growth of the press depend on both. Therefore, in newspaper management, neither aspect can be neglected. Coordination among the various departments, additional circulation advertising and production is very essential for effective and better management. The head of various department must be part of the management of a newspaper. They must be aware of the goals set, policies and future plans of management. They cannot afford to remain cut off from the mainstream of management function. In addition, each department should keep the other department managers informed those of its activities that will be useful to them is the a water except or newspaper management. Then question number 26. The growth of the newspaper depend on. Option given are subscriber and advertisers. Advertiser, large of subscribers are the additional and news coverage. Option number 1 is correct. Subscribers and advertisers. Then question number 27. The word vital as used in the context mean first healthy, second primary, third lively, four important. The option number 4 is correct option. Then question number 28. The main idea of the first paragraph of the passage is the economics of newspaper publishing, second the news importance of advertisement, third news and additional coverage, fourth the growth of press. The correct answer is option number 1, the economics of newspaper publishing. Then question number 29. The head of department must have about option number 1, goal of money, goals of policies and plans, better management, the growth of press. Option number 2 is correct, goal, policies and plans. Then question number 30. The main idea of the second paragraph of the passage is options are given. The future of newspaper, how to sell newspaper, effective newspaper management, the goal of the head of department. The correct option is option number 4, the role of the head of department. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.